Hello guys, my name is the Jump Gamer and welcome to Parkour with me and the Epicenter 114. Yeah, I saw you guys enjoy the other videos of my parkouring with I don't know what his name again. And yeah, so let's go on the Epicenter. Ooh, parkour.
No.
Oh yeah, this map is you can download it in Maps for Minecraft PE in the Google Play Store. I uploaded the map in there. And yeah, so woo, we're gonna fall. Wee. Okay, good. Oh shit, this parkour. Okay, I love this parkour. Don't worry about me. I like this parkour. Yeah, need to edit this video with sounds and my friend is raging right now. Don't rage, motherfucker. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna just make this exclusive. Holy shit, that's so long. Ah, why is it so long? Okay, another one. That's okay from here. Okay. Oh god. Oh, it's long. Oh, parkour. Trapdoor. Please don't fly. Can you please don't fly? Sorry about that, guys. My friend is flying because it's so much hard. Because I made it hard for you guys. Okay, so yeah. We're already there in the cyan. Whoa, is this cyan? Okay. Parkour, mother. Gonna put a checkpoint. Okay, checkpoint. Ooh, shit.
I'm here.
Okay. Okay, there's a checkpoint. Don't worry. I gave you a checkpoint.
This is shit.
A checkpoint. Ooh. What? There's wrong in my parkour. Oh. No, you didn't see that. There we go. What? So hard. Oh, again. Just gonna put some. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, sorry about that, guys.
This game is hard to parkour.
Yes, it's really hard, but don't be sad. Just hard. Okay, it's hard. I know. Let's just zoom in. Jetpack. You using my jetpack? Using my jetpack. Wiener. Okay, good.
Hey, that's mine.
Okay.
That's my line.
That's finished. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like that parkour. It's only a few parkour, but this is an image. Yeah, that's good. Right? We make this. I only make that with only a small but super little help with my friend. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and subscribe for more. Goodbye.